Okay, hi everyone and welcome to a new concept English video classroom, and today we will learn lesson 10. Sağlaş yaxşımızlar, hem de bizim şu 9. dersimizden devam bolgan 10. dersini öğrenmekçi. Hem de 10. ders hem de bu şu 9. dersini kemeş dersi. Biz avval şu dersimizde intayın muhim bolgan bir neçe yeni sözlerini, ham sözler var. Bu sözlerini öğrenip bolgandan keyin ondan keyin o'tgan saat dersimizde bular bu 9. dersde intayın muhim bolgan bir neçe yeni uqum var emasmi? Şu uqumlarni biz bu şu dersimizde bir tekrarlab o'tamiz. Xo'sh, hamsa birinchi so'z nima ekan desanglar? Fat. Okay, look, fat. Okay, nima bu qilamiz? Birinchi tovush shunami? Okay, fat. All right, endi bu nima bo'ldi desanglar? Fat degan semiz degan gap. Okay, semiz degan gap. Endi siz semizmi desakchi, are you fat? Okay, are you fat? Siz qandaymi? Semizmi? Are you fat? Okay, yes I am. Yeah, I am fat. Men qanda? Men semiz. Okay, I'm fat. Degandek. Okay, endi men semiz emas demoqchi bo'lsaqchi, I'm not fat. Okay, endi fatni endi shu semizdan sir yana bir necha ma'no soladi. Fat cat. Okay, fat cat. Ana fat cat degan nima desangiz, semiz mushuk. Okay, ana bu semiz mushuk degan nima desanglar? Bo'ladimi shu ham puli bor, ham bu jamiyat yuz obro'yi, huquqi va bunday odamni fat cat deymiz. Masalan, Bill Gates nima desanglar? Fat cat. Mana pul bor, yuz obro'yi bor. Ama shunda semiz mushuklarni odatda fat cat deymiz. Keyin nima fat cat. Ana bu fat head. Okay, fat head. Okay, fat head bo'lsin bo'ladi. Sanlar head degan bosh, ammo fat degan semiz bosh, qapoq bosh, dut degan gap, ahmaq. Shunday name is fat head. Okay, fat head. Okay. Next one is thin. Okay, nima deganimiz? Thin. Yaxshi, thin. Okay, thin deganimiz nima desangiz? Uruq degan gap. Matlab qilganda, tilimizni ishlaymiz-ku, thin. Okay, thin. And she is thin. Okay, she is thin. U bo'lsa qanday desangiz? Uruq. Vijik degan, okay? Thin. Okay, next one is woman. Okay, woman. Okay, woman degan nima desangiz? Ayol kishi. Okay, look, she is a woman, right? Agar artiyan nima deymiz? Woman, girl, a lady. And the girl deganimiz qizchaq degan gap, lady deganimiz nima desanglar? Xonim degan gap. Ko'pincha mush ommaviy so'rovlarni hamda hurmat yuzidan endi xonim deb chaqirdi. Masalan, ladies and gentlemen, xonimlar, apandilar. Masalan, ommaviy so'rovlarni endi deb chaqirdi. Ladies and gentlemen, shu lady shu, mush ladyninki ko'plik shakli. Ko'plik shakli. Girl, qizchaq, lady. Okay, next one is short. Okay, short. And short deganimiz nima desanglar? Qisqa, paka degan gap, short. Short. Masalan, my teacher is short. Mening o'qituvchim qanday desanglar? Paka. Paka degan nima ekanmiz? Short. O, mayarga o osuzuq tovushni, sal suzab tanaffus qilamiz masalan. O, okay. Nima? Short. Okay, short. Okay, next one is dirty. Okay, dirty. Ana dirty deganimiz nima? Maynat degan gap, dirty. Masalan, dirty car. Okay. Dirty suit degan, okay? Maynat. Masalan, is this your suit? Bu costume burulki sizningmi? Is this your suit? Yeah, it's very dirty. Oh, intayin qanda? Maynat. It's very dirty. It's very dirty. Okay, next one is clean. Okay, and the macho sound actually parks. It's clean. Okay, clean. The clean deganimiz parks degan gap. Masalan, uninki yataq uyi. His bedroom is clean. Uninki yataq uyi qanday desanlar? Parks. Onun degan nima? His bedroom degancha yataq uy, parks degancha clean. Okay, his bedroom is clean. His bedroom is clean. Bedroom is clean. Okay, next one is hot. Okay, hot. Issiq degan gap, issiq yoki isib ketmak. Masalan, I'm hot. Okay, men isib ketdim, shunami? Shuni nima deymiz? Hot. Okay, hot. Hot degan isib ketish. Nimachi? Cold deganimiz to'ngab ketmak yoki so'g'aq degan gap. Masalan, I'm cold. Men to'ngab ketdim. Shuni nima deysan? Cold. Cold. I'm too cold. Okay. Vahshiy so'g'aq, shunami? Ajoyib qattiq so'g'aq bo'lib ketish bo'lsa, nima? Cold. Okay, what about next one is old. And the cold bilan qopidash. Nima? Old. Bu yashangan kishi so'g'ib turib to'ngab ketdi. Cold, shunami? Cold. Mana nima? Old. Okay. Masalan, they are old. Okay. Ular qanday yashangan. Bu yerga they deganimiz nima desam, ular hamda rasmdagi shikaylanmak ular deymiz, shunami? They are old. Ular qanday bo'lib ketdi? Qarib ketdi. They are old. And you are old, bo'lsa. Siz yashangan qari. Okay, what about this? This one is young. Okay, young. And the young deganimizchi yosh. Masalan, I am young. You are young. He is young. Shunami? Okay, what about this? Man, Nigmat, shunami? CCTV-niki danglik riyosatchisi. U qanday tanlaydi? Yosh, shunami? He is young. Okay, young. Agar yashangan qari bo'lgan bo'lsa, old. Young. Good. What about this? Look at this picture. That man is busy. Qarang, bir qo'lida qahva, bir qo'lida telefon, shunami? Kind of busy person. Busybody, busy person. This one is busy, shunami? Okay, masalan, the milkman is busy. Sutchi bo'lsa qanday? Night, oldrash. Oldrash. Oldrash degan nima deymiz? Busy. And interesting one is this. What about that man? And the modern solution. Okay. Maybe this person is very, very, very lazy. Shunami? Ma adam vahshiy, o'rinliq chekaga yetib shunami? Ana xo'shaqmaydi, yergan narsani oldirib qo'yib bergan. Oh my gosh. Lazy. Okay, lazy. Oldrash bo'lsa nima? Busy. O'rin bo'lsa lazy yoki loyg'azal degan gap qo'y. Masalan, that man is very lazy. Odam bo'lsa, entayin qanday ekan? O'rin ekan. Loyg'azal ekan. Loyg'azal ekan degan gap. Lazy, busy, young, old, cold, hot, clean, dirty, short, woman, thin, fat cat, fathead, fat. Okay, nice. And fat cat, thin, okay, woman, okay, and just short, dirty, okay, and just hot, cold, old, busy. Next one is lazy. Okay, lazy. Hush. And so, kinks name catch. Next one is catch. Okay, catch. Catch deganimiz nima desanlar? Shu tutib olmoq shunami? Masalan, catch the football. Biz oldingi darslarimiz o'rgandik. Catch deb nima? Catch degan nima? Tutib olam degan gap. Xo'sh, hamsa ma'noga shu bo'sh o'rinlarni to'ldirib qo'yinglar. Savollashni masalan, Robert isn't a teacher, he's an engineer. Demak, shu shaxs almash bilan BPLni to'shqizganmiz. To'ldirib beringlar. Masalan, shunga asosan, masalan, he's an engineer. Robert bir o'qituvchi emas, u bo'lsa bir injener. Undaqda birinchisi, masalan, Mr. Blake isn't a student. Blake apandim o'quvchi emas. U nima? Blake apandim degan hamda action bo'lgan ekan nima? She is a teacher. U bo'lsa bir o'qituvchi. Okay, and ikkinchisi. Ama ikkinchisi qarasanglar, this isn't my umbrella. Okay. Endi bu yer bu mening kunligim emas. Endi u bo'lsa deymiz, u deganimiz bir shar ekan, nima narsani ko'rsatadi. Narsani ko'rsatgan ekan nima deysizlar? It's your umbrella. U bo'lsa nima? Sizning kunligingiz. What about this? Sophie isn't a teacher. Sophie bo'lsa o'qituvchi emas. U bo'lsa, endi Sophie degan qizchaq. Qizchaq qanday bo'ladi? She is a keyboard operator. U bo'lsa kompyuter mashg'ulot xodimi. And Stephen isn't cold. Okay, he's hot. Steven qanday emas, to'ng'ab ketmadi, u qanday qilib ketdi, isib ketdi. What about number 5? Nicola is in Chinese. She is Japanese. Nyako, sorry. Nyako degan qizchaq. Shuni she is deb ishlatamiz. Okay, 6-chi. This isn't a German car. Bu Germaniyaning mashinasi emas. Endi bu yerda narsalarga olmishdigan narsa nima? It, shunami? Shuni u bo'lsa it's a Swedish car. U bo'lsa nima mashinasi? Shvetsiyaningki mashinasi. Xo'sh, endi ma'noga savolashlar. Buni men ulgu misol qaranglar. Beniki masalan man, fat deb berib tushunami? Okay. Buningda ulgulik misol qanday desang, look at the man. O yoki odamga qarang. He's very fat. U intayin qanday simiz. Okay, and the woman bilan thin. Amsa o qizchaqqa qarang yoki ayol qarang. Look at the woman. She's thin. U qanday uruq. Look at the woman. She's thin. Okay, and the policeman, policeman tall. Okay, and so ersaqcha qarang. Look at the policeman. He's very tall. U qanday intayin igiz deganga. Okay, and so ma'nogacha you to look at this housewife. And a housewife degan uy ayoli. She's very lazy. O intayin qanday o'rin. Endi demak mush misollar savollarning kamoliq mashq darsining rasmlik bor, shuni o'xshab qoldi. Look at this housewife. And bu uy ayoli qarang. O intayin qanday o'rin. Lazy shunami? And what about mechanic? Look at that mechanic. He is very dirty. Okay, and u qanday maynat. He is very dirty. Xo'sh, hamsa ama bugungi darsimizningki tongue twister. And the tongue twister deganimiz til qayrish mashqi degan gap, balla. Masalan, bugungi til qayrish mashqimiz nima desanglar? I wish you were a fish in my dish. I wish men umid qilaman you were sen bo'lib qolsangda a fish bir beliq in my dish meni taqsamdagi. Men sening mening taqsamdagi bir beliq bo'lib qolishingni umid qilaman, orzu qilaman degani I wish. I wish you were a fish in my dish. I wish you were a fish in my dish. I wish you were ma wordga o'tgan zamanda odatda o'rganganman. Bosh bo'lsam, qo'yib I were deganimiz bo'lsam idi, menda bo'lsam kel. Ma'nosi nima bo'ladi? Faqat shu o'qishni bilaman. Were deb o'qiymiz mana. Were. Okay, were nima? I wish you were a fish in my dish. I wish you were a fish in my dish. I wish you were a fish in my dish. I wish you were a fish in my dish. Okay, degandagi. Qaysilarni o'qiysiz? Shu bizniki abdiy talaba ovozda uni qaytarishni so'raymiz. Shay jo'ramayotgan o'zim. Mukofot bor. Okay, I wish you were a fish in my dish. Push. Good. Good job. Okay. I'm really proud of you. I'm very proud of you. Men intayinizdan qadaqman. Faxrlanaman. Okay. Good job. Xo'sh, nima? Ansa bugungi darsimiz musharakchi bo'lsin, salomatlashsin. Topshiriq nima desanglar? Topshiriq bo'lsa, sizlarning shu darsimizniki sözlükni yig'im qildim. Cho'qim ko'chiraversinlar. Ko'chagan cho'qim ko'zsiz qilib deb tashiltam olaman. Ba'zi savolashlar bizga hozircha rasmga, oldingi darslarni rasmga taqib o'tdik. Shunday astoydil. Lekin ularniki nima yo'q endi, sanam. Oddiy deb tayyorlaymiz. Oddiy deb tayyorlasanlar quyruqga ataliq nima desam, ba'zi so'zlarni o'lchamda yozolmaysiz. O'lchamda yozmaganlikka vaqtlarda desam, o'qcha tashqi. Shuna menimki tavsiyam ko'zsiz olib deb tashiltam. Ondan keyin yezib turaman, cho'qim tekstni yozaman, taqasini tekstni imtihon yashataman. Ondan keyin yozilish bo'lganlar desam, bizniki bizning yana bir programmamiz bor, qanday yozlaymiz, qanday so'zlik o'rganamiz degan. Shu programmamizda imtihon tafsiliy to'xtalamiz. Shuni ko'rgaysizlar. Bo'ldi. Bugungi darsimiz yakunlansin. See you next time. Goodbye.